Wouldn't it be a wonderful thing to be able to look into the future and see what's going to happen next? Well, listen, the reality is none of us have that ability. And if we do, in some fashion, we're breaking the law. So putting that beside ourselves for the moment, my name is Anthony Speciale here at Hawkeye Traders, and I want to share with you how our tools are volume based and how volume precedes price action. So maybe we can't necessarily see behind the curtain what's going on, but we can see what is building in the market before the price actually reacts to it. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Take a quick second, look over this disclaimer. Anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. With that, take a quick second and we're going to jump right in. So, many of you may know I am an energy sector trader, particularly monitoring the light sweet crude market and how that affects other areas of the energy sector is really my specialty. So with that being said, of course, I was just had this up on my screen while I was taking a peek at some other things going on, and this happened to catch my eye. Now, this is a very simple setup here. It was a matter of just waiting for everything to click in. And by click in, I mean volume, the trend, the heat map, as everything just kind of rolled into a fresh long position after an area of congestion or consolidation, whichever term you prefer. It was our indicators poised us for this really aggressive buying move. So our indicators detected the volume was going to push the price, and sure enough, it did. I mean, it pushed it from $61.50 to nearly $63. I mean, that is a significant move, $1.50. In the light sweet crude market's about a 4+% move at the price point that we're at today. And with that, guys, I mean, it is just an incredible move. And to have captured it before it happened is like having the ability to see in the future. Now, again, there's no guarantees. There's no way to predict what's going to happen, but volume precedes price action, and that we can prove on a regular basis. So understanding that and building a method around it allows us to find trades just like this one. If we had the attitude that it's going to be a great day, it usually is. And guys, this has so much to do with everything you do in your life. If you are a positive person, if your life is fulfilled with happiness and positivity and things of that nature, more things just attract you. I mean, it's just like it's the law of attraction. That's how it works. If you are miserable and grumpy and pissed off and you think you got a raw deal and whatever else, I mean, you just seem to find more of that. So I encourage you, when you get up in the morning, I encourage you, even when you have difficulties in your life, to look on the bright side, because you will find brighter things to follow that and accompany with it. So guys, there's a link directly below this video. All you have to do is click on it. You check out the training webinar. It'll show you example after example of what I just showed you. Now, that's a very intraday time frame, but we can do that on 3-minute charts, 5-minute charts, 60-minute charts, 240-minute charts, daily charts, weekly charts, monthly charts. Our indicators are really universal in the aspect that you're able to customize them to do exactly what you want them to do. So click that link, check out the training webinar, get signed up. We'd love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. And guys, beyond that, every Wednesday I host a live training class. So for 1 entire hour, all the members here at Hawkeye have access to me directly, and I can help them look at their trades and analyze them and give them perspective for what I would do if I was taking that trade. And beyond that, we have the Inner Circle Skype group, which you get to interact with other like-minded traders. So there's always so much going on here that you can be very involved. And we have hundreds upon hundreds of hours of training in the members area for you as well. So guys, check us out. Get signed up. We'd love to welcome you to the family. Visit us anytime you'd like at HawkeyeTraders.com, or feel free to email us or give us a call. Have a blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.